So today my LG refrigerator came, and I'll put up the model in the title, but it's a thin Q. I guess that's the model name of it. And this is what it looks like. And if you've seen my previous video, if you're following up on that video, biggest difference on the exterior is it doesn't have a middle refrigerator drawer, and that the water is outside, which is the best thing out there. Going inside, we have, it seems like a lot more space. This refrigerator, it's a little thinner on the walls, and on top it's a lot thinner. The old one, it probably went from here all the way up to this space, so that's like 4 inches on top. And it's a lot more spacious inside. What we have here is smaller drawers on this side, but these drawers are probably the size of the previous refrigerator. And then on this side we have big drawers, nice big ones. Going into here, these are pretty standard. The thing that I like about the top here is when you push on the filter, it's easily accessible. It's right there, it comes down, so it's easy to pull off and install. Going a little bit lower, these drawers, they come out really smooth. It's a reminder that the fridge is open. So yeah, these come out really smooth, and this right here is a lot smoother than the previous refrigerator at the Bosch. Bosch came in close to twice the price of this one, but this one is a lot more comfortable. It's made a lot better. Like the Bosch had a cap here, and the cap broke from the beginning, and then they had to fix it. But anyways, when you would pull it out, the cap would flip up and down. This one doesn't have it, and it has a pretty tight seal right there at the top, which is pretty good. Going back to the doors, the reason why this one's so heavy is because it has ice. And yeah, there's an ice maker. There's actually 2 ice makers in this refrigerator, one here, one on the bottom. We'll get to in a second. This one actually makes smaller ice cubes than the bottom one, but just to break it down, that's the reason why these drawers are smaller, and this drawer is a lot heavier. As you can see, if I let that go, it just swings tight right there. But then this one right here, even from here, if we let it go, it doesn't. If we give it a little push, it will bounce back. So this one right here, so it's heavier. It's like on a bomber hinge or something where it automatically closes, or something like that. I might be wrong. But one good thing about this top right here, and referring back to the front door, kind of linking it together, the Bosch refrigerator had a panel here with overwhelming options. It had options all the way from like super mode down to the Sabbath mode, where it wouldn't work, or it would work very little on the Sabbath day. It had so much options that it was overwhelming, and the amount of buttons it had didn't compensate with the options. So you had to have the manual out, you had to look at the details, all that stuff to get to the option you wanted. But some of the things we have here: SpacePlus, smart grid Wi-Fi. I'm not going to use that. I have no purpose for it. Freezer, refrigerator temperature. Then we got the filter, the lock, and then the ice settings and the water. And the water is pretty nice. There is like half a second delay with the water once you push it. Let me quickly show you that. As you could see, a little bit of a delay, about half a second or so, and nice pressure. A little too much for that small cup. But going down to the freezer, you got the handle that lifts up. Once it lifts up, it has these right there, these little latches that release the freezer door and let it open. Right here we have two shelves, or 2 drawers, And we don't have a little third one on top. The little third one was a space waster on the previous freezer. You couldn't pull it out all the way, so it kind of blocked things from going in here, and it took up space on top. Overall, it seems like this one has a little bit more space. These ice cubes are bigger than the ones that are released from here. And yeah, that's all I got for now. I've only had this refrigerator for a few hours here. So, just looking at the design itself, and this LG refrigerator is a lot better than the Bosch that we had. And I'm referring this video to the previous videos I put up about the review of the Bosch refrigerator, so you could see what I got instead and what it looks like. The reviews on it are just crazy. It's over 4-star reviews out of thousands and thousands. So so far so good. I like it. I'll keep you guys updated on how it works and any issues I'm having. But if there was a refrigerator I'd recommend over the Bosch, it'd be this one at half price. So if you're looking for a great place to buy it, I bought it at Costco. It was delivered within a week, and this was late December 2020 into the new year of 21. So with the pandemic going on and refrigerators being backed up, it was delivered with less than a week from the date that I ordered it. So here it is. And the less features it has, the better. That's what I discovered from the Bosch refrigerator. It was full of options, not enough buttons, and too much failures. The only thing it has here that's advanced is the Wi-Fi. But like the dishwasher that I have from LG, the Wi-Fi doesn't do much. It's more like a status update, so I'm not even going to set it up. But yeah, it looks nice, it feels nicer, the handles feel nicer, the seals feel better. Even from the beginning, we had so much problems with the other refrigerator. I thoroughly examined this one to make sure that there was no damages in there. Nothing was damaged, no cracks, no dents, nothing. A lot better experience with receiving this refrigerator at half price than the Bosch that I purchased from Standard TV and Appliance. But I guess at half price they don't cover these guys right here, which makes it look a little industrial. But when the refrigerator's closed, you can't see that unless you're ducking down like that. But I'll take that over the Bosch. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. I will follow up with an update in a little while to let you know how it's working. Thank you.